The European Space Agency, ESA, has increased the estimated risk of collision for asteroid 2024 YR4. The current assessment indicates a 2% chance of impact, double the previous estimates. The asteroid has been assigned a 3 out of 10 rating, signifying a close encounter worthy of astronomers' attention. How serious is the risk? Astronomers are always on the lookout for a doomsday asteroid like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. Occasionally one emerges from the darkness, its path intersecting with our own. Asteroid 2024 YR4 has captured the attention of astronomers and the public due to its small but real chance of impacting Earth. Understanding these celestial wanderers is critical for our survival. How much time do we have? Is there anything we can do about it? And could it be as devastating as the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs? Initially, 2024 YR4 was just another blip on the radar of cosmic threats. Its trajectory suggested a safe passage past Earth, albeit at a relatively close distance. However, recent observations have painted a more concerning picture. The European Space Agency, a leading organization in planetary defense, has announced a significant increase in the estimated collision risk posed by this celestial interloper. The risk, once deemed negligible, has doubled, raising concerns within the scientific community and beyond. The revised probability of impact, while still statistically low, is high enough to warrant serious attention. A collision with an object of this size could have devastating consequences on a regional or even continental scale, a size that comparable to the 1908 Siberian event, in which an asteroid impact flattened 80 million trees. It was first detected in December 2024 and estimated to be between 40 and 90 meters in diameter. To put this into perspective, this is roughly the size of the Statue of Liberty or a football field. While seemingly small in the grand scheme of the cosmos, an object of this size impacting Earth could release energy equivalent to atomic bombs. The consequences of such an impact would be catastrophic, potentially causing widespread destruction and loss of life. Initial observations placed the asteroid at a distance of approximately 830,000 kilometers from Earth during its initial pass in December 2024. This distance, while seemingly vast, is less than 3 times the distance to the Moon. Determining its composition will be a priority for astronomers in the coming months as they continue to track its trajectory and refine impact probability estimates. The latest calculations by the ESA indicate a potential impact date of December 22, 2032. This date, just over 7 years away, is a major concern not just for scientists. The potential impact corridor, a swathe of Earth that could be affected, spans a significant portion of the globe. It includes densely populated regions in South America, Africa, and Asia, raising concerns about the potential human cost should an impact occur. Fortunately, the long lead time provides a crucial window of opportunity for observation and preparation. Astronomers worldwide are focusing their telescopes on 2024 YR4, meticulously tracking its every move. Each new observation refines our understanding of its trajectory and helps to narrow down the potential impact zone. The coming months and years will be critical in determining the true threat posed by 2024 YR4. Upcoming observation opportunities, including a flyby in April 2025 and observations by the James Webb Space Telescope, promise to yield valuable data about the asteroid's size, composition, and trajectory. This information will be crucial in assessing the risk and developing effective mitigation strategies. 2024 YR4 is heading toward Earth, but it's not alone. Asteroids are constantly flying past our planet. The real questions are, how big are they? And will they result in a near miss or a direct impact? What if 2024 YR4 hits Earth? Let's assume the worst-case scenario, a direct impact. How bad would it be? Asteroids like this travel at insane speeds, typically between 20 to 50 kilometers per second. At those speeds, an impact would create a crater 10 to 20 times the size of the asteroid itself. Since 2024 YR4 is nearly 100 meters wide, we're talking about a 1-2 kilometer wide crater, similar to the famous meteor crater in Arizona. If it hits a major city, it would be catastrophic. So, should we be worried? Before you panic, here's why the odds are in our favor. Most of Earth is covered in water, so most asteroids end up hitting the ocean, losing much of their destructive energy. Even if it hits land, most land is uninhabited, meaning the chances of it striking a populated area are low. Based on current data, the expected energy release is 8-10 megatons, similar to nuclear tests from the Cold War. But don't worry, nuclear explosions of this size have been tested in the ocean. And while they're devastating locally, they don't trigger global extinction events, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. The chances of impact are only 2%, which is already a low number. That means 98% chance it misses us entirely. Even better, countries worldwide are ramping up planetary defense efforts to make sure we don't end up like the dinosaurs. Missions like NASA's DART have already proven we can alter an asteroid's path, giving us even more control over our fate. So for now, we can breathe a sigh of relief. This asteroid isn't wiping us out. The ongoing saga of asteroid 2024 YR4 is a stark reminder of our place in the universe. It is up to us, the inhabitants of this pale blue dot, to be the guardians of our own destiny. The sooner we detect potential threats, the more time we have to react. The threat posed by asteroids is a global one, and no single nation can address it alone. Sharing data, expertise, and resources is crucial for developing effective planetary defense strategies. By working together, we can ensure that humanity continues to thrive on Earth for generations to come. Hey, before we continue, I want to share my online mini-course on personal success. It's packed with the best mindset tools I've discovered, with insights from top experts in the field. Click the video below to learn more. YR4 might not be the asteroid that wipes us out, but it's a reminder that space is full of surprises. And speaking of surprises, there was another object that had scientists scratching their heads, not an asteroid, not a comet, but something even stranger. Some even thought it might be alien. If you haven't heard about Oumuamua, you need to check this out.